Hi there, welcome to Chesapeake Bites. I'm Chef John Shields, founder of our Common Table. Join us as we travel around the bay, taking tasty bites of all that Chesapeake has to offer. In this series, we present one recipe every Wednesday, demonstrating how you can eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild our local food economy one dish at a time. Okay, we're going to make a blackberry patch. You know I'm a big proponent of local hooch. And we hooked up here with Lyon rum. They're over on St. Michael's on the Eastern Shore, make an amazing product. So in my latest cookbook, The New Chesapeake Kitchen, I have a recipe in there called the Blackberry Patch using their rum. Okay, so it's pretty easy to do. I got myself some beautiful blackberries, put them in a container, and then just cover them all up with rum. And you know, it's nice if you can put it into the refrigerator for maybe like a week to let everything macerate. Every day you might want to go in there and shake it up, and you have a blackberry-infused white rum. All right, let's make our little concoction here. So mint goes in this. I'm going to put about 5 mint leaves into my cocktail shaker here. And then I'm going to take my measuring device, and it's 2 ounces of the blackberry-infused rum, with always just an extra drop just in case. And then we're going to put some lime in there, and it takes about 1 ounce. So to get 1 ounce, it's somewhere around a half of a lime. Nice fresh lime. Get all that juice and that goodness in there. Beautiful. Then I'm going to take my little muddler here. Just going to muddle up a little bit of the mint so it kind of infuses nicely there. Okay, the next part, we are going to put our top on and shake. Get everything to go together really, really nicely. All right. And then I have a glass all ready for you here with some designer ice cubes that we made. And I'm going to take our basic concoction, and we're going to pour that into a lovely glass here. And then I'm going to take some ginger beer just to top the whole thing off. Like so. And here you have a locally crafted blackberry patch. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our Common Table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.